This is LG's new Hub robot, the company's answer to the Amazon Echo, except that it works with Alexa too. Like the Dot and Echo, it will be able to control your smart home devices and play music, but as you can see, it has a screen. Its face changes depending on what it's saying or what program it's running. So you can ask it to bring up a recipe for chicken cacciatore and then follow along with it. There's the main hub, and then it has little baby hubs that you can place throughout your room. So you can stick it in your kids' room and it will read them a bedtime story. LG is also working on voice recognition with this, so it'll be able to differentiate between you, your spouse, and your kids. LG hasn't announced pricing and availability just yet, but you'll probably want to keep an eye out later this year for this little blinking robot.
LG is betting on the robot business this year with a new line of electronic assistants for the home and the business. There's a lawnmower robot, a vacuum robot, a massive vacuum robot, and an airport assistant. But the head of the robot family is perhaps the adorable Hub robot and its mini-me version. Consider this guy a cuter version of Alexa. In fact, it's powered by the Amazon voice command system and can accomplish pretty much the same tasks, and then some. The Hub can tackle questions, voice commands, and control other smart appliances, but it's also equipped with a camera and screen display with facial recognition. This means it's capable of recognizing each member of your family to, say, entertain your kids with a cute dance or read them a story. The much larger and not quite as cute airport guide will actually be tested at the airport in South Korea right after CES. Just scan your boarding pass and it can tell you everything you need to know about your flight in 4 languages or escort you to your gate. And the other monster robot is also meant for the airport, but this one actually cleans up as it goes through the gates. It's a massive vacuum that can detect humans with its camera and sensors to move around them or tell them to move out of the way. Look for the airport robots next time you're in the Incheon International Airport, while the 2 hubs should be in stores before the end of the year, according to LG.
With the Internet of Things gaining a greater importance, the LG Home IoT section grew in size. This year at CES, LG announced it was launching a new business. And just by looking around, you can probably guess that LG is now targeting the robotic industry. So let's go find out how these LG robots can change our daily lives. Here is a robot that will make you smile just by looking at it. This small and cute robot, called HubBot, plays a central role in home IoT. It acts as an intelligent assistant controlling home appliances. It recognizes the user's voice and even takes orders. Furthermore, by using its sensors, the HubBot will provide customized solutions based on your habits and your environment. For instance, when the temperature rises, the HubBot will recommend you turn on the air conditioning, and when the air quality is poor, it will advise you turn on the air purifier. The HubBot manages more than just your appliances. It also gives basic information such as weather, shows your favorite videos, and can even read recipes while you are cooking. HubBot will be your assistant whenever you need it. Now, if there is a robot in charge when you're inside the house, what exactly happens when you're outside? Well, the out-of-home IoT is LG's proud advancement in the robotic industry. And all the smart robots you see here are making their appearance for the very first time here at CES 2017. People easily get lost at airports and find themselves wandering around not knowing where to go. This robot will soon be in charge of guiding travelers at Incheon International Airport in Korea. It can speak 4 languages and give general information about the airport. It will provide gate information and even an escort service. Along with the information robot, another robot will be operating at the airport, the cleaning robot. It will be scanning and cleaning the airport to ensure cleanliness at all times. Thanks to these new robots, including smart lawnmowers and vacuum cleaners, LG Home IoT's Smart ThinkCube is making our lives more convenient in and outside our homes. Better life with IoT.
Hub Robot. This is a home personal robot, but here's the kicker. It actually includes Amazon's Echo technology. So let's dive in. Versions of the Hub Robot, the large one, the mama bear, the papa bear, I don't know what we're calling them, and also the baby bear. So those are the Hub Robots, and it's using Amazon's Echo technology. So the same things that you can accomplish with Amazon Echo, you can accomplish with this LG. The hardware is different, the software is basically the same. So if you like Echo or you like the idea of it, but you want maybe a little bit cuter of an interface, then you can do that with these. Now you also can combine the two. So just like you have Echo and then you have Dot or with Amazon's version, you can also have the big one in the living room and a small one in your bedroom. And they actually are touch. So the interfaces here are touch. They're not showing any of the actual displays yet. And of course, they don't have any information about when or how much or anything like that, as we are used to here at CES. However, I'm actually seeing a trend at CES with Amazon Echo technology integrated into other platforms, which is very interesting. And as Google Home came out, it was potentially a killer, well, not killer, but definitely a competitor for Amazon Echo, right? But now with Amazon going everywhere in all these different platforms and all these different hardware, that is a really interesting solution to the competitive edge. So what do you think? Leave a comment below. I look forward to hearing from you. That is LG's Hub Robot. Robots!
Cooking is complete. There is a chance of rain shower today.